Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to trade but MetaTrader 5 is stuck, freezing, or simply not connecting, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through a few quick and effective methods to get the app running smoothly again. Begin by checking the most common culprit, your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can easily prevent MetaTrader 5 from syncing with the broker servers. Toggle your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on, and ensure you have a strong, stable signal before opening the app again. If your connection is solid but the app is still acting up, it might be outdated. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for MetaTrader 5. If you see an update button, tap it. Running the latest version usually patches any known bugs or connection glitches. Once the update is installed, open the app to see if the issue is resolved. Should the problem persist, clearing the app data is your best option. On your device, press and hold the MetaTrader 5 icon and select App Info. Navigate to the Storage section. From there, tap Clear Cache, followed by Clear Data. This acts as a soft reset for the application, clearing out any corrupted files that might be causing the freeze. Keep in mind that you will need to log back into your trading account after doing this, so have your credentials ready. That should get MetaTrader 5 working perfectly again. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical solutions. See you in the next video.